students, welcome back to Easy Way to Learn Maths. In this session, we will discuss about equations of tangent and normal. We already discussed about the tangent. Tangent means for a circle at a point, the line which touches the point is called tangent to that circle. That is called equation of tangent. And normal is perpendicular to this tangent at that particular point P, x1, y1. This is called normal. Now, these are the formulas relating with equations of tangents and normal, which you have to remember, keep in your mind. No other alternate. Okay. For all real values of m, the straight line y is equal to mx plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square, where m is called slope of the tangent. Here the circle equation is nothing but x square plus y square is equal to r square. That is, whose center is 0, 0. That is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to r square. Next, a straight line y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square if c is equal to plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. It is the condition. It is the condition for the line y is equal to mx plus c, which is in the slope intercept form, to become a tangent. It has to satisfy the property c is equal to plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. If this condition is satisfied, then this equation becomes a tangent to the circle. Next, the equation of tangent to the circle in standard form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, having slope m is y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. Here the circles are different. Here center is 0, 0, but here center is minus g minus f. Next, the equation of tangent at the point P x1 y1 to the circle standard form is s1 equal to 0. S1 means x1 plus y1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c. Again, equation of tangent to x square plus y square is equal to r square at the same point P x1 y1 is x1 plus y1 minus r square is equal to 0. It is nothing but a special case of this circle. Here the center is 0, 0. That is, in place of g and f we have to substitute 0, 0 in this formula. Okay. Here the equation of tangent at theta. Theta means parametric equations with variable theta. They represent any point on the circle. Then in this form, x plus g into cos theta plus y plus f into sin theta is equal to r, where r is the radius. R is derived in the form by the formula root of g square plus f square minus c. Special case, theta is given. Next, the equation of normal. The equation of normal at P x1 y1 of the circle S is equal to same x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is, here the formula is x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus g is equal to 0. If the question is asked as find the equation of tangent and normal, no need to write this formula again. Just simply, whenever you find the equation of tangent, then here the normal is always perpendicular to tangent, so that we can make use of the slope. Here if it is m, then the slope of the normal is minus 1 by m and the point is same, so that we can use the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here m is nothing but perpendicular slope, perpendicular to the equation of tangent. Okay. Then again the equation of normal to x square plus y square is equal to r square at P x1 y1 is xy1 minus yx1 is equal to 0, which is nothing but a special case of this formula. Here also the center is 0, 0. That is, in place of g and f you have to substitute 0, 0. These are the formulas for tangent and normal. By using these formulas, let us solve some problem. In this problem, find the equation of tangent at P 7, minus 5 of the circle S x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Here, the point of contact is given. That is, at this point, we have to find the tangent. Then, directly, we have to make use of equation of tangent is S1 equal to 0. Here, P x1 y1 is given. P x1 y1 is equal to 7 minus 5, and 2g is equal to minus 6, 2f is equal to 4. That implies g is equal to minus 3, f is equal to 2. Then equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is S1 is equal to 0. S1 means xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Now let us substitute these values in this equation. Therefore xx1, therefore 7 into x, x1 is here 7, therefore 7x, y1 minus 5y plus g into means here minus 3 into x plus 7 plus f plus 2 into y plus y1 is here minus 5, c is equal to minus 12, minus 12 is equal to 0. Now let us simplify. Here 7x minus 5y minus 3x minus 21 plus 2y minus 10 minus 12 equal 0. That implies 7x minus 3x, which is nothing but 4x, minus 5y plus 2y minus 3y, and then constants minus 21 minus 10 minus 12. Therefore 21, 31, 43. Minus 43 is equal to 0, which is the equation of tangent. And here in this problem, find the equations of tangents to the circle x square plus y square minus 10 is equal to 0 at the points whose abscissae are 1. That means here the point is directly not given. Actually, the coordinates of P are x1, y1. Here it is called abscissa and it is called ordinate. Here is equal to 1. Therefore, P becomes 1, y1, which is a point on the circle. Therefore, let us substitute this value in x square plus y square minus 10 equal to 0. That implies x1 square is 1 plus y square minus 10 is equal to 0, y1 square. Then plus 1 minus 10, which is not minus 9. That implies y1 square minus 9 is equal to 0. That implies y1 square is equal to 9. That implies y1 is equal to plus or minus 3. These are ordinates. Therefore, the points are P 1, 3 and Q 1, minus 3. Now, at these 2 points, we have to find 2 tangents. Now, let us find the tangent at P1, 3. Tangent at P1, 3. Again, S1 is equal to 0. That implies, here in this case, xx1 plus y1. Here g equal to 0, f equal to 0. Therefore, simply S1 becomes xx1 plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. No need to write g of and f of, because here g equal to 0, f equal to 0. Therefore, xx1, here 1 into x, then 3 into y plus 3y, c is here minus 10. Minus 10 is equal to 0, which is one tangent at the point P. Now let us find another tangent at the point Q. Therefore, tangent at Q 1, minus 3 is again S1 equal 0, implies same xx1 plus yy1 plus c is equal to 0. Here x1 y1 is 1 and minus 3. Therefore, 1x x, here minus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0, which is the other tangent. Okay. Now find the equations of tangents to the circle. Here x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 2y equal to 0, which are parallel to x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Here we have to find the tangents to the circle, so that here one line is given, x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0, and we have to find the tangents parallel to this line. That means they are nothing but this one and another one, this one. These two tangents we have to find. Okay. Then given line x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Then slope of this line m is equal to, what is the slope of this line? It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then slope becomes minus a by b. Therefore minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Therefore which is nothing but minus 1 by 1, that is minus 1. Or if we convert this equation into y equal to mx plus c, directly we can get y is equal to minus x plus 8. Then slope becomes m equal to minus 1. Here the slope of the given line is m equal to minus 1. That is nothing but the slope of this line is minus 1. And we have to find the two tangents which are parallel to this line. That means that is nothing but the slopes of these two lines are also minus 1. Now we have to make use of slope form, which is nothing but y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. Now let us find gf and the value of r also, radius. Therefore here in this equation 2z equal to minus 4, that implies g is equal to minus 2, and here 2f is equal to 6, that implies f is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 2. Let us find the radius also. Then r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c, that is equal to square root of minus 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9 minus of minus 12, that is nothing but plus 12. Therefore that is equal to root 25, which is equal to 5. Now therefore the equation of tangent. Equations of tangents. Formula here, y plus f equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. Now let us substitute all these values in this equation to derive the equation required tangents. Therefore y plus f here is 3 is equal to m minus 1 into x plus g, here is minus 2 plus or minus r is 5 into root of 1 plus m square. Minus 1 whole square is nothing but 1. Therefore y plus 3 is equal to minus x plus 2 plus or minus 5 root 2. Let us shift into LHS. Therefore x plus y plus here 3 minus 2 plus or minus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus y plus 3 minus 2 1 plus or minus 5 root 2 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of tangent. Now let us solve this problem also. At P3 minus 4 of the circle x square plus y square plus x plus y minus 24 equal to 0. Now let us find the normal by making use of this formula. Equation of normal at x1 y1. Therefore here given x1 y1 is equal to 3 comma minus 4 and 2z is equal to 1, 2f is equal to 1, then g is equal to 1 by 2, f is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore the equation of normal. What is the equation of normal? x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus g is equal to 0. Now let us substitute all these values in this equation. Therefore, x minus x1 is 3 into y1 is minus 4 plus here f is 1 by 2 minus y minus y1, here y1 is minus 4, so it is y plus 4 into x1, again x1 is 3 plus g is again 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Now let us simplify these values. Here LCM is 2, therefore minus 8 plus 1, it becomes minus 7 by 2. Therefore x minus 3 into minus 7 by 2, here 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Here also minus 7 by 2 into y plus 4 is equal to 0. Let us take minus 7 by 2 common. Therefore, minus 7 by 2 into here x minus 3 plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Then shifting this one to RHS, it becomes 0. Then the required equation is x plus y plus 4 minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0, which is the equation of normal. If it is in this question, it is asked to find the normal also, then directly we can use the formula. Here x plus y plus 1 plus or minus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Then normal is always perpendicular to tangent. Then the slope of the normal becomes perpendicular to tangent. If it is m, then slope of the normal is nothing but minus 1 by m. Just we have to simply substitute the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here the point is same. The point at the tangent as well as the point of the equation of normal at the same point. Okay. With this we conclude this session. And thanks for watching.